in terms of, so as I mentioned, these are some of the institutional reforms. In terms of sectoral focus, so I will take the very important case of the quantum technology. So the National Quantum Mission, with a budget outlay of almost 4,000 crores, is Department of Science and Technology is driving the National Quantum Mission. We have set up 4 thematic hubs, one in quantum computing at IISc Bangalore, quantum communications at IIT Madras, quantum sensing and metrology at IIT Bombay, and quantum materials at IIT Delhi. The focus is to develop the 1000 qubit quantum computer, satellite and fiber optic quantum communication links, and to develop ultra precise quantum sensors and measurement tools. So with these 4 hubs, there are about 14 technical groups covering almost 43 academic institutions and labs, and about 150 researchers which are involved in these hubs. The current status, I should say, is that we funded 2 startups. One, like QPI, has already a working prototype of 25 qubit superconducting quantum computer. They are in the process of now demonstrating 64 qubit quantum computer, which they should demonstrate in March. But in terms of the chip, the 6-bit photonic chip has been developed at IISc Bangalore, and silicon based 2-qubit chip has been developed at IIT Bombay. In terms of quantum communications, this is another startup that was funded by the National Quantum Mission, QNU Lab. So here, that startup has developed 500 kilometer quantum key distribution networks. So that is, I should say, is a very state of the art. In terms of quantum sensing and metrology, the hub at IIT Bombay has developed, NV diamond based portable magnetometer, which is actually now ready to be commercialized. So these are some, I should say, early wins in the National Quantum Mission. We have funded 8 startups. So 2 of them I just showed, QNU Lab and QPI, but there are 6 other startups, and now these hubs will further support other startups as well. In terms of the cyber physical systems, which includes aspects like AI, ML algorithms, sensors and robotics and machine, developing the entire cyber physical systems with applications in cyber security, smart grid, precision agricultures, autonomous vehicles, etc. Under this mission, we have set up 23 hubs across the country, and these are all in the specific domains, and all these 23 hubs have been set up as Section 8 companies. So therefore they have the flexibility, and these are of course located in premier academic institutions, IITs, NITs, BITS Pilani, IIIT, etc.